Well done, everyone. We are welcome to Skill Tech. Here we talk about CAE, CAM, and CAD. We will talk about computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, and computer-aided analysis. Today we're going to talk about how to copy Autocad file to Fastcam. Now let's go to our Autodesk. Now this is my Autocad. I have my design already on this, as you can see from the screen. Now the next thing is to save it as DSF files. So now we'll go to my file. I will go to save as. Now when you click on save as, you go to where you want to save your files. Where you want to save your file, let's save it here. We save it is what? YouTube training 1. We save it with YouTube training. You come down here, file type, you choose DSF files here, and you do what? You say save. Now we are successful in what? In saving the file. The next thing is we are going to go to our Fastcam. Now let's go to our Fastcam. Now let's launch the Fastcam. Come here, you click on what? Fastness. Click on yes. So now the next thing you're going to do, you click on this plus icon here. Plus icon. Now you click on this plus icon. You go to your file where you save it. You see YouTube training 1. You say what? Enter. Now we have what? We have our required. It's asking us how many number do you want to cut. Let's say for instance we want to cut 50 pieces of this diagram. You click your what? OK. You see it will automatically what? Arrange on the page that we have. This plate we have set, and this is what it takes 2 plates for us to achieve this. For us to get this, it takes 2 pages for us to get this. So now this is the what? First page. So we've saved it. The next thing, we've copied our file to our Fastcam. The next thing is for us to get our output. You go to output, you say generate output. Generate output. This is what? N35. Accept. Now when you accept, you say go to next, close it. Click on your next, close it. Now after you click on your next, close it. After you click on your next, close it, you click on this your mark sign here. So after clicking on your mark sign, is saving already. So you said the drive path. So we have to select the drive path where we need to save the file. It's coming up. Now it's up already, as you can see. So we can just go to maybe desktop and save it at desktop. Save. I will accept it. Accept. Now save to desktop. The second page is loading. It's coming up. So this is what we have here. This is what we have here. So we can go to our, click on this to simulate to see how it will cut your work. So you click the down button to see how it will cut it. So this is how it will cut it. This is the second page. That's why it's showing 1. We are on the second page. That is why it's showing that. So that is the full video on how to copy file from your Autocad to Fastcam. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to Skill Tech. You get more update on plasma cutting machine, laser cutting machine, CNC machines, how to carry out designs, 2D, 3D designs. Thank you very much.